Welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is paksiw or inun-unan in Bisaya. Let's cook! Place in the pot. Flatten it and slice. Two stalks of spring onions cut into 1/2 inch. Ground black pepper to taste. 1 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, then shake it a little bit to mix all the ingredients. In cooking paksiw or inun-unan, put all the ingredients in a pot. It's time to cook our paksiw or inun-unan. And if you're enjoying this, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Cook the paksiw or inun-unan for about 5 to 10 minutes. I will check now the paksiw. Our paksiw is cooked already. Thank you for watching. And if you like my video, subscribe for more videos. Have a great day!